Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the dark mode in the AusPost application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. You should wait until the app loads in. After that is done and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find the more option. Press on it and in this page you should scroll down a little bit and you can see the last option on the page, which is dark mode. Press on it and you can see that by default it is set to follow system, and you can just press off if you want to deactivate it, and you can see that the app is white now, or you can just activate it back again. So yeah, pretty much this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.